Alright, here we go again. We got another one of our LS supercharged engines here. This one's custom painted black. Beautiful motor. Again, I went over the thing. If you really want to see the build specs, go online and check it out. This one just got done making 785 foot-pounds of torque. We tuned it down a little bit. This happens to be our 800 series motor, but it just did make about 905 horsepower. But again, what a phenomenal piece. We can make this version in this way, or we can make it in over 1,000 version. But this one happens to be our 820 version, made 905. Phenomenal, phenomenal motor, quality all the way. This thing is crazy. So again, if there's anything we can build for you, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.